truck. Got a good look to it. Like I said, drives really good there. I'm not even touching the steering wheel. So if you're looking for a short box 4-wheel drive, it's a pretty nice one. Give us a call, 605-695-7391. Shift's good, downshift's nice. Steering works good. Second. Again, any questions? 605-695-7391.